chain rule is basically the derivative of a composition of functions. So you're decomposing the function, and this is what the equation is supposed to look like. Derivative of y over t equals derivative of y over z times derivative of z over t. This also means that the derivative of the outside function times the derivative of the inside function. So here is f of g of t equals the f prime g of t times g prime of t. So for an example, if you take x squared plus 4 cubed, you have to figure out a y and u value. So obviously x squared plus 4 is plugged in to this parentheses. So you can set a table up, figure out what y and u is, and then take the derivative of y and the derivative of u. So here, u equals x squared plus 4, since it's plugged in, and y equals u cubed. Y always has u in it, and when you take the derivative of du, it's 2x, and the derivative of dy is 3u squared. Now after you find the derivative, we have to get rid of u, so all you have to do is plug in the original equation, or the u value, into here. So this would be 3 times x squared plus 4 squared. And then to get your answer, all you do is multiply these two together. So the answer in the bottom would be 3 times x squared plus 4 squared times 2x, which gets you 6x times x squared plus 4 squared. Another example is if you use cosine times e to the x plus 6x. Now here, u is e to the x plus 6x, and y is cosine u. Now here, again, you have to find the derivative. The derivative of e to the x is e to the x, and the derivative of 6x is 6 plus 6. The derivative of y. The derivative of cosine u is negative sine u, because the derivative of cosine is negative sine. Now, of course, we have to get rid of the u, so now all we have to do is plug this u value in for here. So it's negative sine e to the x plus 6x. Now again, to get the answer, we multiply this times this. So now the answer is d over dt of cosine e to the x plus 6x equals negative sine e to the x plus 6x times e to the x plus 6. And this is your